Hey, how are you? I hope you are having a fantastic day. We're going to talk about cryptocurrency news. Crypto Titan reveals massive institutional interest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. So, I want you to know I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. This is my opinion. I am not smarter than you. You are smarter than you realize. Do not trust what I say. Do your own research. Crypto Titan reveals massive institutional interest in Bitcoin and Ethereum, plus updates on Ripple, XRP, and Litecoin. So let's get into this. Bitcoin and Ethereum. The institutional crypto investment giant Grayscale has released its third quarter report of 2019, revealing a surge of Wall Street interest in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Grayscale offers a series of trusts that allow institutions to gain exposure to Bitcoin and a long list of altcoins including Ethereum, XRP or Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Stellar, Zcash, and Zen. The firm's latest report shows exponential jump in growth for Bitcoin and Ethereum that began earlier this year. So you can see the numbers just skyrocketing as we approached 2019. Grayscale says the biggest surge happened in July with $75 million pouring into its Bitcoin trust in a single day. Wow, $75 million in one day getting invested into Bitcoin via institutional investors. Crypto billion-dollar inflows, $254.9 million, marked the strongest demand for Grayscale products since the firm's inception. Inflows tripled quarter over quarter from 84 to 254 million despite recent declines in digital asset market prices. In fact, when you take a look at the charts, the times when institutions and large investors have put the most money into Bitcoin has been when Bitcoin's prices go down. Bitcoin prices drop 20, 30, 40%, and whoosh, in comes all this institutional money, and then the price gradually starts creeping back up. Ripple and XRP. Ripple says MoneyGram CEO W. Alexander Holmes will highlight the impact of digital assets and blockchain technology at the company's upcoming Swell conference in Singapore. The two companies partnered in July, with Ripple buying $30 million of shares in MoneyGram at a premium of $4.10 per share. MoneyGram is implementing Ripple's on-demand liquidity solution previously known as XRapid, which utilizes XRP. XRP is a digital cryptocurrency to power cross-border payments. So here we have a situation where a digital cryptocurrency is powering cross-border payments, and the customers may never actually realize it because they just show up at a MoneyGram the same way they always have, give MoneyGram a certain amount of money, pay a certain amount of a fee, and boom, that money is available in another country, somewhere around the world. And unbeknownst to the customer, that money was transferred within seconds using XRP or Ripple, a digital asset. XRP is the symbol that you would use on an exchange, and the asset is actually called Ripple. So in recent earnings call, Holmes talked about the company's early experience with XRP. He said, "I am so excited to announce today that MoneyGram is now live and transacting on the Ripple XRapid platform. We started executing trades earlier this week, and all signs point to this being a tremendously beneficial relationship for all parties involved. We are literally settling currencies in seconds, and to quote my friend Larry, this is really cool." On to Bitcoin and Litecoin. The US-based payment merchant processor Alliant plans to pay its employees part of their compensation packages in both Litecoin and Bitcoin. Alliant first began supporting cryptocurrency payments in September of 2017. CEO Eric Brown says the initiative shows the company's commitment to the digital economy. The fintech industry is growing and changing rapidly, and this is a way for our employees to be part of Alliant's involvement in the shift of digital currency. Each member of the Alliant team now has a vested interest in cryptocurrency, not just as something they work on in the office. The more our team utilizes digital currency, the better our customer user experience will be. This benefits Alliant as a company and our employees as invested customers. So pretty interesting. I thought this was really quite interesting news, how this company is actually giving part of these employees compensation is in Bitcoin and in Litecoin. I'm surprised that Litecoin was one of the two picked, but that's kind of cool that these people are getting paid in cryptocurrency in order to help the employees utilize the company's products, and those products include cryptocurrency products. So very interesting stuff. We are living in very interesting times. Tell me how I can be of service to you. I'm doing these videos because I want to help you in the cryptocurrency world. So please leave your comments below. If you have any disagreements or a difference of opinion, I'm interested in hearing from you. Politely disagree below, because we all learn and grow when we hear a differing opinion from other people. And so that just helps us all learn and grow. In the meantime, like, subscribe, and hodl. I hope you have a fantastic day.